your solar garden lights dimming too quickly? The problem might not be the sun, but the batteries. Today we're reviewing the GENYESTAR 8-pack AA Ni-MH Rechargeable Batteries, specifically designed for solar lights. Let's see if they can keep your pathway bright all night. First, let's talk specs. These are 1.2 volts NiMH batteries with a 600 mAh capacity. That's a decent amount for solar lights. They come pre-charged, but only to 30 to 50% for safety, so you'll want to fully charge them before first use. Just pop them into your solar lights and let them soak up the sun. One of the biggest advantages is their low self-discharge. This means they hold their charge well when not in use, so your lights stay ready even after cloudy days. They also handle temperature extremes, working from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're perfect for outdoor use in various climates. Even in snow, they can still charge from the sun. The capacity is honest, no inflated numbers here. With a full charge, these batteries kept my garden lights glowing for a solid 8 to 10 hours. That's more than enough for a typical night. Now, who should buy these? They're ideal for anyone with solar garden lights, landscape lanterns, pathway lights, or even string lights. But they're not just for solar use. Because they're AA size, you can use them in toys, remotes, flashlights, wireless mice, game controllers, and other everyday electronics. It's a versatile pack that gets you 8 quality batteries. Durability is another plus. NiMH batteries handle repeated charging well, and these claim to be rechargeable up to 1,000 times. That means you'll save money in the long run by not buying disposable alkaline batteries. Plus, you're reducing waste, which is always good for the environment. One thing to note, these batteries don't have a high capacity like some other brands, e.g. 2000 mAh+. But for solar lights, 600 mAh is perfectly adequate because solar lights typically drain small currents. Higher capacity batteries might not even be necessary and could be overkill. So the capacity is optimized for the intended use. To install, just replace the old batteries in your solar light with these. Make sure the positive and negative ends align correctly. Then, place your solar light in direct sunlight for a full day to charge. It's that simple. In conclusion, the GENYESTAR 8-pack AA Ni-MH batteries are a reliable, cost-effective solution for your solar lighting needs. They perform well, last long, and offer great value. If you're tired of replacing batteries every few weeks, give these a try. Your garden will thank you. We've included a link in the description where you can pick up a pack for yourself. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.